What's going on? It's your boy TK here back with another video. Time for another old school action car right here. A good old school Chevy Camaro, but not just any Camaro. It's a beautiful Zampa right here. I'm gonna introduce you to a buddy of mine. This is his personal ride. And y'all don't wanna miss out. We're gonna check. All right, I'm gonna introduce you to my buddy, Jeff Benton. This is his Chevy Camaro. Hey, Jeff, what got you into liking Chevrolet and GM products? What drove you to liking Camaros?
I had one when I was 16. Had it for about 6 months. Had to get rid of it. Always wanted to get another one. I seen this one, had to have it.
Alrighty, man, and you pretty much had it ever since, right?
Yes.
Before that, well, this was your only Camaro. You had more than one in the past.
I had one when I was 16.
Yeah.
And I've had other hot rods before that.
Okay.
So,
All right, man. I appreciate you sharing that with me, but I can't wait till you take me for a spin. Of course, get my reaction when you go full throttle with me.
yep, we'll see how she goes.
All righty, man. I'm looking forward to. Oh my goodness, this is a beautiful engine bay right here. Tell me what's special about this engine, man.
Well, it's 350 small block Chevy.
Oh.
It's been stroked out to 406 cubic inches.
Oh, okay.
And it was dynoed at 526 horsepower.
And that's to the wheel or at the crank?
That's at the motor.
Oh, okay.
515 on torque.
Ooh.
So.
Oh, that thing is nothing to play with.
But if you look at the weight horsepower difference, this is a 3,200 pound car. Horsepower. It's pretty fast.
Oh yeah, it makes up for it. It's a lightweight compared to, you know, other cars during that era back then too. So yes. I can only imagine. But like I said, man, this beautiful example right here, and it's just so clean. This video don't do justice on the camera. Like, you just gotta see it. It's one of those things you gotta see in person. It's just so beautiful. Hey, Jeff, man, I'm just gonna fly say it. You got a badass ride, man. No question about it. It just, man, this is not all for show, folks. This is not all for show. It gets with the program. It gets with the business. Like, this car is nothing to play with. And a good old manual transmission. And I know you was ripping through the gears and all that. Man, I couldn't do nothing but stop laughing. I couldn't stop. It's so much fun and excitement.
It is.
Yep. But again, I appreciate it. All right, everybody, that's a wrap. Like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, TK Turbo.